Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We see that y divided by s, y divided by s. This is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have dy over ds equals to first derivative of v. We have dv over ds multiplied by s. Later that we do first derivative of s, you got about v because that's about number 1. This is about the product rule of derivative. So y we change vs, and this one we change by vs. dy over ds we change by this one. S divided by s, you got about v. This one you got about v. V minus v, v minus v, they cancel. So e to the power of v we put on the left, ds and s we put on the right. So we have dv over e to the power of v. This one, that's about ds over s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one we have e to the power of negative v dv. The integration of this one, that is about negative e to the power of negative v. And we put about c. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And then we need to change v into y over s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.